A student who rises early does everything well. He remains punctual at everything. A student who gets up late has little time at his disposal. He gets ready hurriedly, then he misses many things. For example, he cannot check for his button or shoes lace. He cannot enjoy his toast. He just put it in his mouth and drinks milk to pass it through the throat. He often late for his school. Some children rise up early because their parents force them to get up. Then they wheel away their time curling with their brothers and sisters. They complain for their books, pens, clothes missing. They cry for and refuse to go to the school. Somehow their parents search out their things. If they themselves keep their things organized, how can they miss them? Organizing things well is the base of punctuality. It means to keep them at their fixed place or time. A late student misses the morning assembly. He misses all the important announcements. Sometimes he is punished by the principal. Late coming is marked in his diary. A late comer is not welcome in his office or factory. He is marked late in the attendance register. Therefore, one should get up early, work in time, and take rest in time. Do one things at the time and do it well. मेक ए टाइम टेबल फॉर योर डेली वर्क एंड फॉलो इट। इसमें बताया गया है कि जो बच्चा सुबह जल्दी नहीं उठ पाता है, फिर वो अपने स्कूल टाइम से नहीं पहुंच पाता है, वो मॉर्निंग का जो ब्रेकफास्ट होता है उसको एंजॉय नहीं कर पाता है, वो अपनी यूनिफॉर्म में बहुत सारी चीज़ें मिस कर जाता है और फिर उसको लेट कमर हो डायरी में उसकी कंप्लेन लिखी जाती हैं, वो अपनी बुक्स भूल जाता है, पेन पेंसिल जैसे कभी कभी आप भी भूल जाते हो बच्चों, तो फिर उसको क्लास में पनिशमेंट मिलती है। तो इसलिए कभी भी ऐसी आदत मत लगाओ कि लेट उठने वाली। सभी को अर्ली मॉर्निंग में उठना चाहिए, एक्सरसाइज करनी चाहिए और अपने टाइम से अपना हर एक काम करना चाहिए और अच्छे से स्कूल आना चाहिए। ठीक है, थोड़ा सा चैप्टर यहाँ से। ए हैबिचुअल लेट कमर मिसेस मैनी इंपॉर्टेंट लेसन। He loses self-confidence and become backward in the class. His friend do not respect him. Now he cannot help his friend in their problem but to depend upon them. A latecomer is never welcome anywhere. When friends play a game or give a stage show, they always have to wait for the latecomer. They get feet up soon. They begin to say that it was wasting of time to wait for him. They stop asking him to come along with them. None can depend on a person who is not punctual. A punctual person is always ready in time. He is likely a welcome